There are billions and billions of neurons, and they all have branches that reach out. When the branches get close enough, they're connected and energy zings along the pathways they make. Making these connections is what we're wired for. When you learn something new, the neurons grow and connect. They make an actual path for thinking and remembering. Scientists have actually studied how people's brains change after they learn to juggle. In this experiment, one group of people took juggling lessons and practiced every day. The other group did not. When scientists compared images of the two groups' brains, there were changes in the brains of the juggling students. One part of their brains got stronger. Scientists believe this is the part of the brain that was exercised in the juggling practice.